Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly pound dollar, I still believe this is going to keep growing into an uptrend. I still think it's eventually going to go all the way up and take out those highs and make either a big wave A or possibly a big wave 1. Either way, I think it's going to just keep on trending up and end up looking something along those lines. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can actually start to see what I think looks like almost a perfect uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. I think even though this is a very odd looking correction, I think there's a good chance it's a wave 2. And I believe that it's going to eventually just keep on trending up, making what I think is going to be a wave 3, 4, and 5, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can actually see the lower lows, lower highs, what I think is a wave C. We got a nice impulsive move up. We got a move down that looks very corrective. Now if this does go up and then make an impulsive turn after 3 waves up, then we'll know that it's going back down. But at this point, I am looking at this as possibly the end of a wave C. If it is the end of a wave C, then it will end up continuing the uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where you can see the higher highs, higher lows, which I think is going to end up being a wave 1. We have a break of structure to the upside, which to me pretty much proves this whole move down is over. Now, like I said, this could be an A, this could be a B, and it very easily could go up and make a C, making a impulsive turn down. If it does do that, makes an end of a trend for this third wave, then we'll know that this is a wave C, and we'll know that it's continuing the downtrend. But on the other hand, what I think is more likely is I think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, and I think this is going to end up continuing the uptrend, making higher highs, higher lows for a wave 3. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is where you can see that nice big impulsive move down. It looks like an A. Really what it looks like now is an A, 3 waves up for a B, a downtrend for a C, 3 waves up for a D, and a little downtrend for an E. So it looks more like an A, B, C, D, E correction, and it is definitely respecting the 61% Fibonacci level. It definitely made a pretty nice impulsive move up. That very easily could be the end of a correction, and if it is the end of a correction, then it will now end up continuing the uptrend. So we may want to start looking for longs on sort of time frames at the end of any of these ABC pullbacks that we may see along the way. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.